is what, and as you know this. Let's do this one. It's a mosaic. I think it's like a little jewelry. 4 and 5. Okay. 3 stores, which I my other. This one actually, I was just next. Sounds for itself. This the cheaper. Next. Okay, this in Italy bag. And if not, this is gonna be. And also, I want a bag. This one price just went up, but the same but different. So it is the Evelyn 33. Guys, these pouches were in different colors. I mean, you could so many in the store, right? Like I said. Oh. Love, love, love. Mwah. And if you haven't watched the main event, so our blue box is a little damaged. Here's the tag. Is an HAC cuts up. It's longer than a Birkin, so it's not technically a Birkin. It's